Just stay right there before you pop something up.
Hey, so this is part 2 of Bluesteel. Okay, so I stopped and checked on the kid that got hurt. So apparently they already called in, so help's gonna come. I told him not to move, you know, just relax. I know he's hurt. I know he's in pain. So he washed out. So I think he was coming out on that berm. And right now the condition is it's pretty loose. Okay, maybe his tire, his weight wasn't distributed right, so he was coming out on the berm, and he maybe reached out when he landed. He popped his shoulder because he was holding on his shoulder. He was agonizing for pain when I got there, so I was trying to calm him down. You know, I told him not to move. You know, because I don't want him to snap and pop something else. You know. So in that situation, you know, you're not supposed to be moving because you don't know if your C-spine got injured, your neck, you don't know. So just relax. I know it's hard to relax while you're in pain. So right here I made a right. Okay, I'm gonna get lost in this trail. They all marked up, but if you're coming hot, you know, I'm not fast. The trail, the way they design it, it's fast and flowy. Look at that berm. Look, the berm going to your left. There's high berm going to your right. Okay, so let me get back to the kid. So they already called it in, helps it on the way. I try to, you know, give him some moral support that, you know, hey, you'll be alright, they're gonna come, just don't move, just lay down, because he's trying to move around. Anyways, so I passed this guys, I don't know where to go, so I saw there's like a berm right there to your left. I came out to that berm, come down, blow, coming down, and then it said step up, and I end up right here. This is where I got lost. I think you gotta go under the bridge to go to Bluesteel.
Oh shit, I went the wrong
Yeah.
way.
But hey,